Okay, see how far we got. Saturday, we didn't get any of this done. As you can see, that is stuck in the middle. We did get a lot of it cleaned up. He just kept pushing it over with that thing. We got some of it cleaned up. And then he blew a hydraulic hose and we couldn't find one. So he actually did go get one on Sunday. And he still hasn't replaced it. His stomach started hurting. And we actually took him to the hospital this morning. And he's got a inflammation of the stomach, intestines or something. Worried about it being the gallbladder. But, so we didn't get to do anything Sunday. He just laid around kind of sick Sunday.